Hey there, HVAC warriors and comfort seekers. Welcome back to HVACknowhow.com, where we turn complex cooling and heating mysteries into straight-up knowledge gold. I'm your host, Bea Espino, and today we're diving into the real deal about HVAC services in Pompano Beach, Florida. Listen up, my comfort-seeking friends. If you're tired of vague quotes and pricing that seems to come out of thin air, this episode is your golden ticket. After reviewing dozens of installations and working directly with contractors in South Florida, I've got the inside scoop on what you should actually be paying. Here's the knowledge bomb you've been waiting for. Residential AC installation in Pompano Beach typically runs between $4,800 and even $500. Now, I can practically hear you thinking, that's quite a range, Bea. And you're right, but here's where it gets interesting. That price swing isn't random. It depends on your system size, home layout, and plot twist, even the time of year you're installing. Pro tip coming your way: installing during the off-season, November through February, can save you up to $1,700. Boom! There's your light bulb moment. But here's what separates the pros from the rookies. It's not just about finding the lowest price. Think of it like buying a car. Would you rather have the cheapest one that might break down, or pay a bit more for reliability and peace of mind? The best companies offer clear, itemized quotes, strong warranties, and most importantly, proper installation that'll keep your system running efficiently for years. Here's a little insider secret. Flat rate quotes often hide labor or warranty gaps, while itemized quotes give you the full picture. And trust me, we've all been there, looking at multiple quotes and feeling overwhelmed. But remember this golden rule. Transparency is everything. The best contractors will break down every cost and explain exactly what you're getting. Time to level up your HVAC game. When you're comparing companies, look for these non-negotiables. Detailed written estimates, clear warranty terms, proven local reputation, professional certification. Don't let anyone tell you this stuff is too complicated. You've absolutely got this, and now you know exactly what to look for. This has been Bea with HVAC Know-How, heat, cool, and everything between. Until next time, you can discover more HVAC morsels at HVACknowhow.com.